Hello guys. Today is just an introduction of what we are going to learn in Python. Before starting the course, I would like to tell you all that if you are a beginner and seeking help to learn Python, then this is the perfect platform for you because you are going to start from level 0. In 30 days you will learn complete Python. It sounds shocking, right? But just give it a try for 30 days, and you will see the change in your coding skills.
The only thing needed here is to be consistent. That's it. Comment down your name in this journey.
Lastly guys, I would like you to get familiar with this voice because this is my original one and I will be creating videos in it throughout the journey. Please be consistent as this journey is absolutely free. Thank you.